I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, not gonna delay, not gonna stall. Let's go ahead and get into this. And you all knew this is coming. Y'all knew, based off of the comments of my last video, what was coming here. Boom. LeBron 17 box. Because you all know, Big Ralph, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright? Now, we'll go ahead and get into these. These are the LeBron 17 black, white, university red. Size 14, of course. Alright. If you all can see that. Boom. Alright, so the reason, quick story, the reason that I went ahead and picked these up is because the shoe that this model right here is based off of, I never wound up getting. And it was one that, it's one that people always say, you gotta have this in your collection, you gotta have this in your collection, and I never got it. So I got this one because I didn't want to feel like maybe later on down the road, man, I should have got that LeBron like I do with the shoe that it's based off of. So let's go ahead and get into this one, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Oh, and inside the box is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Let's put that to the side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Whew. Yes, sir. LeBron 17 in that infrared colorway, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what? Easily, out of the LeBron colorways that I have, this is probably the most wearable of the LeBron 17s that I own. It's between these and the Oreos. The Lake shows, you know, those are cool, but you gotta wear like the purple and gold with it. You gotta wear some Lakers stuff with it. Might get away with some black and white, but it's a very distinct color. The more than the athlete, you gotta wear some blue on white with it. You know what I mean? You can get away, and just the build of the shoe, that darker black, you can get away with wearing these more frequently. I feel like you could almost beat these up a little bit more than something like this here, which isn't, you know, you can't just up and rock this all the time. You can't rock this as frequently as you will be able to rock this. This is probably the most wearable one of the bunch that I have so far. And normally this is a colorway that I would probably skip because I'm not really big on, you know, I say it all the time. I'm not really big on the black and red colorway, but you probably see a lot of black and red around here. It's just not my favorite colorway, but I think on this particular model that it is one of my favorites. All right, I do like how this shoe is inspired by the Air Jordan 6, as you can see, with it being called the infrared for one, and then just the colors, the color scheme around it. You know what I mean? They based this one off of that Jordan 6. Let me take the shoe tree up out of here. And then you can see on the front, normally the LeBrons do not have the pull tab there. You know, just like the, I said pull tab, that's not what it's called. I can't think of the name, but normally LeBrons don't have that right there in the front. But this is common on the Jordan 6, as you can see there. So I'm glad that they did that, and you got your 2-3 with the LeBron there, just like you would with the Jordan stuff on the Jordan 6. And then on the laces, you got your King's crown, LeBron James crown logo there. Same thing on the side here, but on the inside of it, it says Flight there at the top. That little Flight logo there on the reverse side of that. On the inside here, it says LeBron. Probably can't see that, but on the inside it says LeBron on the insole. On the front there, you got that Lion King there. The lace lock is what this is called. You have that lace lock on the top there, which is uncommon on LeBron shoes, but it's very common on Jordan 6s. I really like how black the black is on this shoe. That's what I was getting at when I say it's more wearable. You got your Nike Air there up front. Very nice, man. Very dope shoe. Very wearable looking shoe as well. Red Air unit going around. White swoosh. And I always like on the LeBron 17 just how the colors look as you go around. The reflection of the colors as you go around, man. Always a nice touch. I really like that about this particular shoe. Alright. Then on the bottoms, boom, you got your pods there. Typical LeBron 17 bottoms. I like how they split the red and the black here. Very nice touch. Think so. And then your black midsole going around. But you know what we gotta do with these boys, because these are the shoes that I was actually gonna throw on with this today. We gotta take these boys on feet. So real quick, this is what I was wearing before I threw on the kicks. These Adidas Boost slides. You know what I mean? Very comfortable. But let's go ahead and slide those out the way. Here's what you came to see, baby. Yes, sir. Bron Gang. Alright, infrared Bron Gang 17s. Yes, sir. That's what you came to see. Now, let me give you the fit test. Boom. These are a size 14 and they fit fine. Just as I've said before, this is my big toe here. Got a good amount of room, not too much room. However, on this particular pair, and only to the left shoe for me, since it has the extra stuff here, this extra lion patch here that goes down, I can feel the tip. If y'all can see that, the tip, that pointy tip that's here on the front there, I can feel that on my toes. I can't feel it on the right shoe, so I don't know if I did something when I put the shoe on, but I can definitely feel that. So maybe I just need to, you know, adjust my foot or something. But I mean, it's not uncomfortable, but it's just like, why do I feel that? So that's something to remember if you're going to try these on. Maybe see how it feels for you. But I just wanted to point that out for anybody who's on the fence and considering these. All right, now let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Definitely a dope shoe. Glad that I was able to acquire these. Probably the most wearable, as I said before, of the LeBron 17s. Alright, definitely about to throw this back on so we can hit the town, go out and have a nice family dinner. But that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. Let me show you something here. I had to pause for the cause and make sure that the Bron gang continued. Where is it? Here. Boom, boom. And as you all can see, if you all can see that, I hope that comes in. But that is me securing the bag for another LeBron coming in soon. This isn't the one that I just showed you on my phone. That is not a LeBron 17. But if you know when you're watching this and what dropped today, then you'll have an idea of what's coming next. But that's gonna do it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.